Hello, my people. Many years ago, the time where I did primary school, I remember one physical basketball where I get with a fellow people. That people name be Orenge, no be in real name. Orenge no dey find wahala, na so they stay on your own. Come reach that day, I no feel remember wetin happen. Whether we play ball finish, argument go enter. So, with no time like that, now in my own group don't dey my back. Orenge own group don't dey him back. As they don't see say this thing fits cause physical kasala. Now in my group come ask me say, oh boy, you go fit face Orenge. I say, who be Orenge? I go face him. Wait, who be Orenge? I go face him. Who be Orenge? I go, Before you know him, the real practical basketball don't start. Now so I take before, because for house, the rule where they there be say, make you no come back home with dirty cloth. Now mama standing rule, which must be obeyed. And that rule they enter my ear. Anytime where basketballs one shell, you go enter my ear. The first thing where I do, now to carry my clothes like this. When I don't face Orenge, take them. As I take, say make I pull on, now Orenge can capitalize on the cloth. Hold on. As he hold on, me I don't turn afternoon masquerade. Now so Orenge hold me, make una come see the basketballs where Orenge they give me up on, say I did on inside under cloth. My people can ask me, my own group can ask me, say, Shay, make we release una, make we separate una. I say, no way, who be Orenge? I know they fear him. They say, I say, no way. Now so Orenge hold me there. Me, I know they bleed. I still they form macho. Now so Orenge they land me, bass. Before you know, I don't know where this thing come out. They say, Chineke, Gakwana yo, Ubukwele nimo. As I shout this thing, I don't know how this thing manage come out from my mouth. Now, to separate Orenge come out from where I did. That one, another wahala. Then they try, Orenge, they give me punches. Later on, they come separate us. As they come separate us, now they gasp for breath first. As I come catch breath, now I come look Orenge. Now there, I raise hands, swear to God, say, even if I won't enter into physical basketballs with anybody, no be like that, I go take come out my cloth. If I won't come out cloth, I go button the cloth complete before I go come out, and no be to pull her. Now the first time where I did do that thing, because of mama, now I won't come out my shirt and come meet this basketballs. Will not be only basketballs, including afternoon masquerade, because the fear of mama that time and now the beginning of correct wisdom. My people, I beg, make una follow me. Help me share, like, and anything we do in our mind, make una go for comment section, drop and there. Once I see them, I go respond. All right, guys, catch you.